That. And this fucking deep purple, I tell you. See, and now I'm gonna try to do something with that. Where's that raisin blade? Yeah. Get that kind of flat. Cut out some of this loose goose. Goosey goosey.
I'll get all that up later.
Okay, I'm just getting it off to the side. There's my little doobie. There it is. Here we go.
Talk about it.
Well, I forgot about this. Oh, look at there.
Louder. I know.
Shut your face.
Slap.
Snorting. Oh. So I forgot about sanding on this a little bit. I'm gonna sand on that a little bit. With my purple dirt. I tell you, what I need to did. I don't think that's gonna do it. What about this? Oh no, she's gotten too hard. So let's do this. Oh yeah. Okay. So gotta be good. And I gotta do a little something like this. Before I do another code. A code. Do it. I've got 10 sheets of purple here. And underneath one, yes, and I just said a video. Don't need all that. I don't need 10 codes. good. Put this down somewhere down here, maybe. Yeah. Maybe is it. Cut this straight out. Tips. Cut and pluck and cut and pluck. No. Some of this good purple. How you do?
You just cleaning that up, or you gonna put more Bondo right there?
Yeah, I'm gonna put some Bondi right there. It looks like something like this, something like this. So just gonna make a tiny little bit and take care of that. And I'm gonna put it right here on down here on this thing. There's a fella. And that'll be enough right there. Come on now. Don't be a butthole. Shoot. Beep, beep. Get it. Make it green or whatever. Whatever color you gonna turn. The green. Wait sometime. Squeeze it off of there. And put it back in the middle. Yeah. Something like that. Oh, now I didn't put it in the right place, I don't think. I think it gotta be about right there. Now I'm gonna put it on the bottom over here and try to make a cone out of that, you know what I'm saying? Make a cone over here, I don't know, yeah. Something like that. Oh. Yeah, okay. Well, I need some more of that. Let me have it. What about you? You're gonna get it on this corner.
Yeah.
It ain't do it. It didn't do it. It ruined it.
No, it didn't. Looks good.
No, it didn't. You're so silly. You think everything looks good. I'll wait until it sets up a little bit. And then I'm gonna have to do another down there. I'm gonna have to do and I gotta do some for over here. Yep, that's looking good though. Got it started. Nigga, it started. Retarded started. Here we go. Can I get you? Oh, yeah. Get that off. I think I'm gonna leave it until it hardens a little bit more.
Where's your microphone?
Where's your microphone? Okay. I do it again, I do it again, I do it again. Hear me out. Meow, 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 meow. I'd rather be playing music.
You know how popular DIY is?
I don't give a shit.
Mess with the honk, you get the donk.
Okay, so these one. It's gonna go like that too, I guess. Good Lord, that's a bunch.
That's a big old cat.
It's a big old car. I see it. Let's see what this will do it. Yeah. Yeah. All right, give me some blue cheese. There we go. Oh, I gotta fill that big ass hole. Okay. Just use your little corner there. So cold in the deep. It's so cold in the deep. Oh, Lord, in this. All right. Ooh, see how I'm gonna do this? I don't know. Let's try. First of all, we gotta go in here, something like that. Oh, shoot. That is a big one, yeah. Oh, yeah. Needs more down here. Get that down here. No, that ain't enough. But it's a start.
It's very good, Andy.
No, it doesn't look too good, but
You gotta do
thanks.
it again, right?
Well, yeah, as few times as possible. And
You gotta leave it there to dry a minute.
yeah, I'm just gonna pull it off. Ooh,
You messed it up. And I need to let it dry.
Oh, I need to make sure I got that whole feel. I can't see the hole. And now it's hiding. Okay.
Is that it?
Well, that's it for now.
Let it dry.
A little. Or start carving on it, I reckon. This ain't even, it's not even dry yet.
And then what?
I'm waiting on it to...
You don't want to go shoot it back there? Shoot the back door?
No, I'm doing this. It only takes a few minutes.
Oh.
So while I'm here, I want to get it all done.
Okay.
Looks like it could be. Pretty good. Pretty good. So that's pretty good. Now, what am I gonna do with this? I don't know. Take some of that. And I don't know about that. Oh yeah. Still need a little more under there. All right. That's all right. Ain't nothing but cork. So I need some over here, and I need some over here. That's a lot. Still need quite a little bit, huh? Okay. Hey, here's another little goober. There's another little goober I can use for.
Put your goobers back in there, all your goobers.
I can use it for that.
Yeah.
I don't have to use this mixer. Yep. All right. Big gob, you later. Come on, little gob. Here's up down. I'm gonna get it over here. All right, give me my little doodabber. About that much, maybe, I don't know. Something like that. Get to mixing. Oh shit. Do. Shoot. Shoot. Oh, it's just not going. Okay. Now, we got a big old gog here laid up. Oh, what are you gonna do with that? I'll tell you what. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Oh,
sorry.
Something like that. Can I just pull it over? Yeah, okay. Now let's get this one. Oh, it's gonna be more harder. Get under there. Shoot. That ain't working well for damn, girl. Shoot. Yep. Oh, can I slide it out? No! Fuck. Yeah. That is hard, I bet. Yep.
Oh, gosh.
So I had to do it in one quick swoop. And maybe we did. Let it harden. Not horrible. This could probably get chiseled off. What you doing?
Hot over there. What?
Yeah. Yeah. Because it's, it doesn't have a corner over there. This one may be okay, yeah, I don't know.
clean it up, and then I'll talk it. After you get all the way done. Great.
Okay. Okay, so
Get a win, get a win. Excuse me. Man, I got twiddlers caught in my throat. No, I gotta sneeze. Excuse me, sorry. Oh, how rude. There's pollen on my phone. No wonder.
Probably do right there.
Golly.
Knows it only takes smash it underneath that. I probably will.
You gonna tighten up that corner end?
I reckon, Frank. So, shot. Let's do something like this. I'm gonna smash it from the bottom and then just go across the good day I need to put it in there again.
That's good.
Yeah.
Now you got a little corner on there. Let it dry a little bit, let it dry, let it dry. Let it dry. Wait. Oh. I can't bend over myself. Pollen.
Yeah! I did it. Like it or not, it's done deal. It's gonna have to do, yes, do. Yeah, what I do with myself?
That's it.
That's my story. I'm sticking to it. Yeah.
That it?
I think that's gonna do.
And clean up and a little caulk, and we're gonna get paid.